Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for everyday inspiration, and I'm also using the sketch from Paper Issues, the January sketch challenge. So the photo that we're using was picked by Crystal, and it is of the spiral staircase, and it is beautiful and amazing, and I was totally stumped. I had no idea what to do for this layout. So I had a couple of ideas and kind of combined them into one. So I thought that black stripes would work really well since the handle is, or not handle, the railing looks like stripes kind of if you turn them on their side or whatever. So I thought that that was pulling great from the inspiration piece. So what I did is I took the sketch from Paper Issues and added it to this. So it kind of gave me a direction for my layout, because I was really struggling with this for a while. So the other thing is I wanted to use some wood grain because that is really prominent in the picture. So the Paper Issues has this paper. It's Bella Wood, and I can't remember which one this is. I think it's like number 5 or something like that. Here, let me see if I still have the strip over here. It's Bella Wood Papers, and this is version 5, and it is, I mean, awesome wood grain paper, obviously. So I picked one that kind of had a similar color out of the pieces that I have, and I went with this one, and then I'm going to create these little rosettes. And I started to do this on screen, so you can see I cut different strips. I cut some 2-inch strips, I cut some 1.5 and some 1-inch strips, and then I scored them every 1/4 of an inch. But I have a thumb injury which made folding the paper extremely hard. My right thumb, I took a big chunk out of it on a grocery cart at Walmart, so you know I'm probably going to get like Ebola or tetanus or rabies or something. But yeah, so I went and I folded the rest of these off camera because it took me just so long to do because of my thumb. So anyhow, I folded them off camera. I glue my rosettes together using the Tombow Mono Multi, and then I let them dry kind of standing as you see here. So I have these 2 pictures of my son, and he's in excuse me, bumper cars, and they're not very good pictures at all. So who cares, right? I'm using this paper from the Case of the Blouse from Pink Fresh Studio. I'm sure it's no longer available in the shop. I think I got it from Paper Issues like late 2018 or early 2019. So I'm not positive. If there is any available in the shop, I will link it down below. But I used that one paper, and then I'm also going to use some of the puffy stickers and cardstock stickers. So I'm just sticking down my rosettes using some hot glue. It's the only way to get them to stick really well. I don't care what anybody says, it's the only way. So I am using, again, the sketch. Where the clusters are in the sketch, I'm trying to put a rosette. So I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put one down in the bottom bottom left as well. And then I'm taking the one that was kind of in the one that was on the right side, and I'm going to move that over to the opposite side of the page just because I prefer that. I don't like having everything clustered on one side of the page. I like to have a little something over there. So you're going to see me stick this one down. And I'm already loving how this looks. The wood grain with the black stripes, it's It's a really good combination. I have a cordless glue gun, so here you're going to see this one isn't going to stick down because the glue wasn't hot enough anymore, so I have to let it, you know, plug it in for a little bit. And then I decided I wanted to trim my photos down because they were taking up too much space on that big rosette. And that's actually two 2-inch strips put together. I knew I wanted to make it a little bit bigger to hold my photos. So anyhow, you see me here struggling, trimming down my photos to get them to the, you know, same size and where they'll fit nicely. But I get it. I had to take the guard off my paper trimmer so that it wouldn't keep sticking to it, but it works. And then I'm going to pull in not only the Pink Fresh Studio Case of the Blahs, but I'm also going to pull in the Pink Paisley Wild Child, the boy collection. And another thing I've had forever, and I've hardly used it at all. So I'm going to pull in some red pieces from this collection. I thought I was going to go more with the Pink Fresh, but a lot of the sayings didn't work out quite the way I thought they were going to when I picked it out. So then I end up with a lot of stickers and stuff from this Wild Child sticker sheet. Again, probably not still available because I got it so long ago, but you know, sometimes you got to use what's in your stash, right? So, but if it is available at Paper Issues, I will link it down below. And then for my title, I was going to use that I have no idea what I'm doing as my title, but it was too not right. So I decided to go with a combination of a puffy sticker that says sorry, and then I'm going to put not sorry using that black alpha on the sticker sheet from Pink Fresh. And, you know, when you're in a bumper car, that's exactly how you feel. Sorry, not sorry. I'm going to smash into you and you're just going to deal with it. So I did use one of the puffy sticker that says mischief in the making up at the top there. And then a Wild Child, that Wild Child little piece is also from Pink Fresh. And then the other pieces are all from that Wild Child collection. And while I'm going mainly with red, I wanted to pull in a little bit of blue because there's a lot of blue in the photo. So I do have that, my middle name is Danger over there. And that's how I decided just to pull in a little bit of blue. And I included a red lightning bolt. So again, this is for everyday inspiration, so I will have the links to everybody's videos or channels down below so you can hop along and see what everybody created. But don't forget, you can use my code DAISY20 for 20% off in the Paper Issue shop as well, and you can play along with the challenges over there for your chance to win $10 on the Facebook group. So I will have links for that information down below as well. It's kind of a twofer layout here for me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you again next time. Bye!